Okay, question number 5 is about binomial distribution. Maybe you think you need your calculator, but not that heavily rely on the calculator. You have 5 marks here, so look at here. Because of 5 marks, probably need to do some step. Okay, just one part. Okay, find the least value of n such that probability x larger than or equals to 1 larger than 0.99. X larger than equal to 1. What was the rest of possibility? X equal 1. Oh, so we got it. So actually it is a calculation problem. It tells you probability x equals 1, x equals 0 equals 1 minus probability x larger than or equal 1, right? They're complementary. So it equals 1 minus 0.99. So it is 0.01. Ah, it's a checking whether you remember what is the probability for binomial for the easiest one. 0 not happening. It means that all are false, right? So all are 1 minus 0.25. For how many times? N times. Wow. Of course, you can add NCN at the top, but actually it's 0. Okay, if you like the equation, okay, you can say NCN. Okay. So this is equal 0.01. Okay, actually NCN is 1, so this one become a 0.75 and equals 0.01. Wow, typical IB question. How to solve it? How to make the n come out? Okay, log them log the left hand side and right hand side, and then it become n log 0.75. Well done, and the right hand side also take a log 0.01, and then it will be a calculation time. Okay, and then to see whether we need to round it up, round it down or not. Okay, 0.75. Okay, pause the video and calculate it. Welcome back, you got it. Wow, 16.01, right? So 16. I think we don't need to round it up, just 0.01, right? So the least value of n is 16. You got it? Well done. Okay, remember, if you like our sharing, like, follow, and subscribe. Okay, support us. Thank you for your support.